Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app verification code not working, SMS, email and OTP fixes. Fix 1. Force stop and restart the app. You just have to close the McDonald's app on your device and access the recent apps view on your phone. Swipe the McDonald's app away to fully close it from the background. Relaunch the McDonald's app again and request a code after reopening the app. Fix 2. Switch network connection. You just have to disconnect from the current Wi-Fi network, especially public or restaurant Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi often blocks automated emails and SMS. You just have to turn on your mobile data, cellular data, try requesting the code again. Fix 3. Check all message categories. For email OTP, check your spam, junk, promotion and update folders. For SMS OTP, check your spam and block folder inside your text message app. Ensure your phone has strong cellular signal. Fix 4. Clear app cache. For Android, open your phone setting, tap on apps and or application. You just have to select McDonald's from the list. Then tap on the storage. Then you have to click on clear cache. Then you just have to reopen the app and test it again. For iPhone users, you just have to open your iPhone setting, tap on General, then select iPhone storage. Scroll down and open McDonald's and tap on Offload app. This deletes temporary data but keeps your login setting. Then you have to reinstall the app. Fix 5. Perform a fresh reinstallation. Uninstall the McDonald's app from your phone. Restart your smartphone to clear temporary system memory. Then you have to open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. There you have to download and install the latest version of McDonald's app and attempt to verification process. Thanks for watching.